Macaulay Mackenzie. I'm from London. I'm 26 and I'm an electrician by trade. I started doing my research into hair transplants probably about a year ago. One of the first ones that I come across was Hair of Istanbul. Found first on Instagram, started seeing some of the results and I was really happy with what I see. So I started looking further into it and doing my research, looking at other clinics along the way, nothing compared to the results that I'd seen at Hair of Istanbul. So I decided to look further into that. I looked on more on Instagram, on Facebook, see what other people were saying on forums on the internet, and it was all good results. So I decided to come in myself. So the overall pain for the operation was very minor. It was little pain when they put anaesthetic in the beginning, but through the whole procedure, I didn't really feel anything at all. I'd say out of 0 to 10, 3.5 out of 10. That was just for the anaesthetic at the beginning. I think after the procedure, it wasn't too painful. It was slight discomfort when I got back, but I think that's just the whole process of the day. But yeah, once I got to sleep and stuff, it was fine. Yeah, no, everything was so clear and laid out for you. It's easy to follow. All the medication that you're told to take, it's given to you via it's written down for you what you need to take, what days. Like the hair washing, you get shown videos, talked through it all. So I never had any questions or queries as to what I was doing. It was so simple and easy to follow. So the painkillers I've got painkillers, antibiotics and anti-swelling tablets. I think if you're considering to come here, I would definitely come here. I'm glad out of all the clinics I looked at that I have come here, because it's been so, it was a daunting task to come and get it done anyway, but it's coming to Hair of Istanbul has made it so much easier. I've not had to worry about any of the travel, any of the accommodation. It's all done for you. You just have to turn up and get it done.